Hello everybody, I'm Randy Jones and this is Ace. And behind me is the Woody Line house. It's 10 by 24, 59.9. 10 by 24, 59.9. Yeah, can you believe that? Hey Dave Ramsey, take that and put it in your pipe and smoke it. All right? It is a value. Tell me you can't sell that house for $75,000 out in California somewhere.
Come on.
All right, come in here. Let me show you a little bit more about this house. This is a flat log siding. Now, it can be chinked. Chinking is like, remember the old Appalachian style homes that were 12 foot wide and they got mud in between? Well, this is a replica of that. We don't put any chinking in it, but it's just a white pine 3/4 board and it's flat and it's kind of a shiplap, which means this board here, this one goes over top of that one, so the water just runs off here. And this bottom part right here, Mandy's got to get a little bit closer to see this, but it's actually cut on a small bevel, and what happens is the water hits this and it'll run off. We've done a ton of homes like this. We've actually built regular stick-built homes up in the mountains with this same, it's a replica of a flat log Appalachian log home. This particular Woody has got a bay window, and this was an added feature. If you want this is $2,500 to your normal Woody Line. So the bay window does not come with this 10 by 24, 59.9 tiny home, okay? But it is beautiful. Look at that. That's a 5 foot by 4 foot picture window, and again, the flat log siding. Let's walk around this side here, man, to just show them a little bit of perimeter. We got our fans blowing here. Got a little warm today. We can't get completely around here, but we break up a little bit of the siding up top with a board and batten after it gets so high at the corner. But you can see it's two shed dormers or two shed roofs. And I designed this to be one this way, and in between those two will be glass, okay? This particular home is our first model that we come out with. It's already sold. It's a little bit of a custom home. We've added some features like you see here. But let's go inside and I'll explain a little bit of the floor plan, because we're not completely done with the house, but we're bringing these videos to you so you can see the progression of it, and then you can make up your mind. It's like, hey, do you want this? We're actually going to be starting kind of a production line of these homes. It was designed in the fact that we can build them a little bit faster, which keeps that cost down low, and it's more efficient. That's the reason why we have two roof lines, you know, like that, is because they're a little bit quicker than the gable roofs and cutting all the siding, and it's a little bit easier on us when it comes to labor and materials.
Now, could I ask something before we go inside? Can I ask something before we go inside?
Ask you what? Yeah, what do you got?
About the tongue box over here. Does this come with it?
Sure.
That looks super custom.
That's another custom. It's a tongue box, and it's huge because there's a lot of stuff that goes inside of this.
That is amazing.
Yeah, isn't that beautiful? So it's got an off-grid, so it's got a water tank in here. It's got your charge controller, batteries, and all that. And yeah, that is. Don't even ask me how much more it's going to cost to put it on the house.
Oh my gosh, like wow, man.
Yeah, but isn't that pretty? Let me see if I can open that one door. I got it unlatched here. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. But to me, this is what this is for off-grid. All right? I think by the time you pay us to build this for you, you could buy a shed and put it on your property. But this is massively beautiful for your off-grid.
It is so
That's for your batteries, charge controllers, inverters, and your water tank, and it's all insulated.
Look how nice that looks. All that wood. You know, whenever you see these other homes, they're beautiful. They're so, so beautiful. There's nothing more beautiful than wood.
And that's why I wanted to come back with called the Woody Line. And I called it Woody because it explains exactly what this house is. We're originally carpenters. We love wood. We love working with wood. All the guys do. I forced them into working with steel.
You did, and
but
they did not want to.
Nobody did.
Nobody did.
But we had to recruit people that have never worked with wood in the Incredibox line.
Wow.
And they're taken to the Incredibox.
Okay.
Let me turn these fans off.
Okay, yeah.
You can't hear me a little bit.
Oh, this is green. The spray foam is green.
What's that other fan? still running here. There we go. All right, now you can hear me a little better.
Wow.
Yeah, so I tell you what, Amanda, I think the best thing is let me run through the floor plan.
Okay.
Of course, you got to put your imagination hat on so you can understand kind of a little bit. And of course, we'll be bringing you videos every week of the progress. That's because Amanda's telling me to do something and I wasn't thinking about what I was saying.
I know, it was like flip that light around. There
All
you
right.
go.
So when you come in the door will swing to the left. Immediately, here's the kitchen. Kitchen sink, turn on the lights, right? Behind the door is steps that go up to the loft. As you go up the steps, underneath the steps where the ladders are is the shower. So when you walk in, kitchen, right? Hallway, as you guys can see, bathroom. This is all the bathroom. Shower, vanity, toilet, and a washer and dryer and pantry. So what I like about this layout is that you've got your kitchen here, and right here we have this pantry and a closet behind the pantry and a closet inside the bathroom. So you got your washer and dryer, 2 closets, and a pantry, all inside this house. And that's all taken care of between about 8 to 10 feet of the 24-foot long house. So now from here back, you've got almost 12, 13 feet by 10 foot, which is over 110, 15 square feet of nothing but living room. So what's really unique about this floor plan is now that you have this bay window that they've added to the house. Remember, that's about a $2,500 upgrade. But you've got this big room as a living room. You have a really nice staircase that goes up to a bedroom with 2 egress windows, right? And the light that's coming out with the 2 different shades, different versions of the roof line. And then you got this big living room, and it's all wood. Now remember, this is a Woody line. It's $59.9, and the reason we got that price down is because we are not staining or polyurethaning the inside or the outside of this house. That is a DIY. That is for you to do. We're not sure if we're going to offer that because we've already taken in quite a few orders for these homes, the Woody line, even though we haven't really built a model yet. But that's really been the history of our company. Because of our pricing, because of our history of what we do and the quality of homes we build, people go ahead and say, hey, I want to order that home. We know what you guys do. So here it is. This is the Woody line, living room, bathroom, kitchen, upstairs bedroom that can accommodate a full-size, really it's a king-size bed or more. And what I like about it is you got this light coming in, plus 2 egress windows, which brings a ton of light. Now, this, from that ceiling to the loft line, is going to be about right here. So all this air is going to be able to flow back and forth from this mini split here. So your mini split will still be able to travel this mini split will accommodate up to about over 600 square foot home. This one right here is 240 square feet. So it has well enough, cooling power and heating power to do this whole house. All right. So there you have it, closed cell, spray foam insulation. Wood stick built with regular 2x4s. It's got 3/4 wood on the walls, the ceiling, TNG. As you guys can see, it's a little bit of a beadboard we put on the ceiling, and then the flat log siding on the outside.
And talking about the ceiling, that's one of the things that I think is a nice different. You come in and it goes from taller to smaller, like it's sloping down.
Yeah.
That's kind of a cool thing.
And it feels kind of like the Incredibox.
Yes.
It's got really nice volume.
Yep.
It's quicker to build for us, keeps the price down. We don't have to charge as much like we do the models. And man, let me grab this. I have to show you guys. Look at her today.
Oh my God, don't show me today.
Look at her. You don't even have any clothes on. Look, all she's got is a shirt.
I have got shorts on.
Look here.
I got shorts on underneath, but not
Look at her
shorts.
legs. She's like athletic legs on her. You're doing great, man, losing all your weight and everything.
I know, I'm trying.
She looks great.
And I'm going to start walking the mountain starting tomorrow morning. I was going to do it this morning, but I'm going to walk the mountain before I come into work.
We lost Ace.
Well, we lost Ace.
And you took off up there.
And I walked the mountain twice, but we walked the mountain before we lost Ace. So we walked up there, and I was surprised that I wasn't out of breath. And I was like, it must have been where I've lost weight, because I told Randy, I said, I think I'm going to have to stop, but I didn't have to stop. So I walked it twice. I didn't mean to.
And it's
twice.
A steep
And it
trail.
is steep, and it's a long way up there and stuff, but I'm going to do it every morning.
It's a good workout.
Good workout, so,
awesome.
yeah.
Well,
yeah.
I know they want to see you, so. All right, everybody, thank you. This is the Woody line. Give us a call, 599 Out the door, 10 by 24, staircase, living room. I got.